If freshly made juice is your morning ritual, you know nothing beats the silky texture and nutrient-packed punch of a good cold-pressed juicer. Today, I bring you the 7 best cold-pressed juicers for Europe this year in terms of value for money. They truly deserve a spot on your countertop. All purchase links are in the video description so you can explore at your own pace. But for now, get comfortable, pour yourself a glass of water. Or juice if you already own one of these beauties. And let's get started. First up is the AMZ Chef. This model pairs a 250-watt motor rotating at about 60 revolutions per minute with a 13-centimeter chute that can handle whole apples effortlessly. I love its balance. Compact enough for a small flat, yet it feels sturdy to the touch. No cheap plastic creaks. It extracts nearly dry pulp, meaning it squeezes out every drop, and stays under 75 decibels so you won't wake anyone up. Though it's not dishwasher safe, it's easy to clean. Rinse it right after use, and you're ready again in 5 minutes. It has a reverse function to prevent clogs and a twist-to-detach design. For daily use with fruits like apples, pears, melons, or oranges, it's spot on. It also performs well with tougher veggies like carrots or celery, though with dense ginger or beetroot, you'll need to use the pusher. Still, the results are excellent for its price range. Plus, it comes with ETL certification and BPA-free materials, reassuring for families. Ideal if you want quality morning juice without complications in use or cleaning. Stepping up, we have the ACOQOOS, packing 300 watts and the same chute diameter. That extra power really shows when juicing greens. Kale, spinach, or whole celery stalks go through with less effort and the motor stays cool. The output is impressive and the pulp comes out almost like sawdust. Like the AMZ Chef, it disassembles quickly and has BPA-free parts, though some users mention slightly tricky startups. Nothing serious, just make sure the drum clicks in properly. It also features an effective reverse function that helps with fiber buildup. If your plan includes daily tough blends, think carrot, turmeric, and green apple, this beast keeps up better than its direct rival, though it's a bit noisier and heavier. It's great for people on high veggie diets, or those who make functional juices with dense roots and fruits. Next is the ultra-compact Elite Gourmet EJX 600. Weighing just over 1 kilo with a 450 milliliter container, it's all about a quick glass and go. If you live alone or don't want to sacrifice counter space, this is your ally. You can assemble it in a flash and rinse it in 2 minutes, but don't expect miracles with fibrous greens. Swiss chard will jam it and beetroot comes out struggling. However, for a quick orange boost before heading out or a strawberry juice while working from home, it's super handy. And get this, it's quieter than a microwave. Your flatmate won't even notice. It's also perfect for older adults or students looking for convenience with no learning curve. Next up is the Link Chef, a juicy mix of compact size and serious features. Its 130mm chute saves on chopping, and the 250-watt motor performs better than its label suggests. You can assemble it without even looking at the manual. It only has 3 key parts, and juice flows steadily even with pineapple or cucumber. It also has a reverse function and a design that makes disassembly a breeze. While it doesn't have Philips brand legacy, its early months of heavy use show promising durability. If you want something that handles all kinds of ingredients without taking up space, put this one on your short list. It also includes a thorough manual with blend ideas, handy if you're new to juicing. Now we come to the Friggia F1900, the wise tortoise of the group. With 240 watts and a slow 43 RPM screw, it juices slowly to preserve enzymes and vitamins. The ultrafine filter retains nearly all pulp, so the juice comes out crystal clear, perfect for detox fasts or cleanses. Just be prepared to rinse the sieve every 2 jugs, as fiber compacts quickly. Picture a Sunday, candles lit, chill music playing, and Friggia working zen-like while you slice fruit. If you're always in a rush, its slower pace might frustrate you, but if top nutritional quality is your goal, few beat it. It also has a drip stop spout for mess-free pouring. It's a thoughtful choice for anyone mindful of every ingredient. Next is the Freda, featuring a 108mm chute and a quiet 250-watt motor. Performance-wise, it rivals the Link Chef, but its slightly wider chute fits half a tomato or a bunch of grapes with ease. I tested it making express gazpacho, and it was spot on. Cucumber, pepper, and tomato went in almost whole, and the juice was smooth. Its minimalist design looks great in modern kitchens, and it emits a soft hum, ideal if you're making juice during video calls. The weak point is customer support, less extensive than big brands, though spare parts are still easily found online. One hidden perk, rubber anti-slip feet keep it stable, even on wet counters. And we wrap up with the Philips Viva HR 1889/70. Only 150 watts, yes, but it features a quick clean system and dishwasher-safe parts that beginners will love. It sacrifices some power with hard carrots, but devours citrus, melon, and berries with elegance, and the drip stop lid keeps sticky puddles at bay. Plus, Philips offers a recipe book, app, and a broad support network. Great peace of mind. Think of it as the plug-and-play option. Perfect if you're just starting out, want no-fuss operation, and trust a long-established brand. It's one of the few in this range that stores nearly assembled. Great for tight kitchens. Comparing all these juicers, it's easy to see how each one fits different needs. If you're making juice regularly with mixed produce and don't want to spend too much, the AMZ Chef is an excellent starting point. Balanced, quiet, and easy to clean. Perfect for those adding cold pressing to their routine without hassle. But if your usage becomes more intense or includes tougher, fibrous ingredients like celery, ginger, or beetroot, then the Akokus adds the power boost that makes a long-term difference. Ideal for experienced users or those seeking more performance without going premium. On the other hand, if you just want one glass a day and prioritize speed, quietness, and space saving, the Elite Gourmet EJX600 is ideal. It's so light and discreet it feels like just another kitchen gadget, and its simplicity doesn't compromise its effectiveness with soft fruits and single-serve juices. In the same practical vein but with more versatility, we have the Link Chef and Freda. Both are great for small homes or shared kitchens. They're compact yet powerful enough to handle a variety of ingredients without losing efficiency. Freda especially shines with its modern look and extra quiet performance, a real bonus in noise-sensitive environments. Now, if your top priority is nutrient retention and a mindful process, the Frida F1900 is your go-to. It's slower, yes, but that's precisely what allows such delicate extraction, perfect for health-focused diets, detox juices, or preparations where every vitamin counts. And if what you need is something easy to use, quick to clean, and backed by a major brand, the Philips Viva HR 1889/70 has you covered. No worries about spare parts, odd accessories, or complicated routines. It just works, cleans up easily, and is ready for the next use. No fuss. It's perfect for first-time buyers or anyone wanting something practical and reliable. And that's our full roundup. I hope this guide helped you understand what to look for, what to prioritize, and most importantly, which model suits you and your juicing lifestyle. Give it a like if it helped, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share it with anyone looking for their next juicer. And remember, all the links to these models are right below in the video description if you want to take a closer look or make a purchase directly. See you very soon, and as always, cheers with a fresh glass of juice.